Sunday, April 9th. It's about 8 o'clock, 7:50 actually. Been hiking for just a couple minutes. Got up out of camp. It is 30 degrees out and it is quite cold. Tent was frozen this morning, which always makes it difficult to pack up because your hands are so cold. But the sun is coming out and it's going to be a beautiful day. I've got a big day planned. I'm going to try for 24 today. We'll see how I do. But that's the plan anyway. 24 today, and then I think that would leave me about 10 or 11 into Pearisburg tomorrow. So anyway, that's the plan. Big day. Probably won't have a lot of time to film today. I'm just trying to get that many miles, but if I come to anything, interviews, I will certainly show them to you. So, all right, trail's going that way. You know what we do. Let's go. Happy Easter, everybody. I'm just now walking through this little opening, came down off that ridge up there, and the dogwood tree is in full bloom. Wildflowers are blooming, the birds are singing, the sun is in my face, feels great, the temperature is amazing. This is a beautiful day. Happy Easter, everyone. All right, afternoon update. It is 4 o'clock and it's still 9.5 miles to the shelter that I'm trying to get to Doc's Knob shelter. This is the Wapiti shelter. It's kind of infamous. If you know, you know, and I'm not staying here. So, yeah, ran into X-Ray when I got up here. I saw where he had been camping this morning, passed by his tent, but then I went down to that waterfall and, oh, hey, I went down to that waterfall, but he didn't take that little side detour. So anyway, I just brewed some coffee. I had some coffee. I had some candy. And now I'm getting ready to go climb up that, or some piece of that. It's like 2.6 miles and 1,300 feet of elevation gain. So gonna be going up for next little bit. So, yeah, I'm stalling just a little bit, but I'm not in a stall this time. Just trying to get myself together. All right, 4 o'clock, 9.5 miles. Can I do it? Will I get to the shelter, or will I be stealth camping somewhere? I don't know. Yet to be determined. We'll see. I'll show you when I get there. Let's go. All right, here's the wrap-up video for last night. Made it into the shelter about 8:30 or so. Hiked the last half mile with my headlamp on. So that was my first little foray into night hiking. And thought it was gonna be scary. I don't know, I wasn't really looking forward to it, but it was actually really pretty cool. So enjoyed that. I think it was about a 25-mile day yesterday. I'll put the elevation, it was pretty flat, but anyway, still had to hike the miles. So yeah, 2 packets of ramen and set up my bag and hopped in the shelter. There's just one other hiker in there. Last night, really nice little shelter, Doc's Knob. Had a real nice deck out front. I ate my dinner on. So anyway, that was the wrap up from yesterday. It was a great day. It was a beautiful day. I caught a little bit of a sunset off to my back as I was hiking in to the shelter last night. So anyway, it was just an all around real pretty day, and I think tomorrow, which is actually today, is going to be a pretty day as well. So thanks for following, and I appreciate all the support.